Indonesian officials say the death toll from an earthquake in West Java province has risen to 162, most of them children. Mr. Camille said there were many young victims of the earthquake that occurred while the children were at school. The earthquake also left more than 300 people injured and nearly 14,000 people homeless. More than 2,300 houses in West Java province were severely damaged or completely collapsed. The Indonesia Meteorological, Climatological and Geophysical Agency said that the 5.6 magnitude earthquake occurred at 13:21 today. The epicenter was located on land at a depth of 10 kilometers in West Java province, about Jakarta, 100 kilometers to the south. Meanwhile, the U.S. Geological Survey said the quake was 5.4 magnitude. The U.S. Geological Survey defines earthquakes with a depth of less than 70 kilometers as shallow epicenters, and they typically cause more damage than deep epicenters. Indonesia's Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency recorded 25 aftershocks within 2 hours of the quake, confirming there was no danger of a tsunami. The agency also warned people near the quake's epicenter to be on the lookout for further aftershocks.